So welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class, we have discussed about the table and pictures. Now we have another option which is called shapes. If you want to put the shape in your text or where, if you need any kind of shape, you can use them also. Now what you have to do, simply you have to select the shape from here. After selecting the shape, you have to draw the shape here. After drawing the shape, as you can see, the new tab will be open, which is called shape format, and you're going to see the options. If you want to change the color of the shape fill, you have to change the shape fill, and your color will be automatically changed. After that, you have shape outline. If you want to change the color of the shape outline, you can also do that. If you want to increase the weight of that, you can also do that. You have to click on here. As you can see, the shape is changed. Now we have another option which is called related, which are related to the shape. Almost all of the all options of the picture are similar to this. Now you have like a reflection option, you have safed edges, bevel, 3D rotations. All options are similar to the picture. After that, after that, we have other options like this. If you want to put the text, you can also do that. You have align text, you can change the text align, and we have positions, you can change the position of the shape, and you have rep text. If you want to change the rep text of the shape, you can also do that. If you want to set the align, you can also make the corrections in alignment. After that, you have group, you can decrease the size of this, like if we did in the last class about the pictures. You have to control and make it duplicate. After making duplicate, you have to press the control and click on it, and you can group them, and you can also make the duplicate of them and put them here and click here, and now again click on the group. As you can see, they are grouped. If you want to increase the size, you can also do that, increase the size, and you can also increase the width and size on all things here. So these all are options. If you want to change them, you can also change them from here. If you need another shape, you can also, if you want to create a text box, you can also do that. Now simply what you have to do, like I have wrote smart and select it, increase the size of the text and make it bolder, bold, italic. And now what you have to do, simply go to the shape fill, remove the fill and remove the outline, only put the text here. Now I'm going to increase the size of the text again, go to the home tab and increase the size from here. So this is the basic function, that how you can insert the shape as you go back to the shape format tab. So these are the all options are similar to the picture format, and these all options are very easy to use. You guys can use them. These all options are very easy to use. You guys will understand. You just need to little bit more practice. So I hope for this class this is enough, and we will about other options we will discuss in the next video. So see you in the next video.